did that door before, that door in the background. And then over here, I did this door a long time ago. Right here in the bottom of the door, if you see how the wood I scribed in on there, that also has been changed out since I did it. Looks like they changed it out one of those carriage house doors. That just goes to show you, people call, you know, they see something they like, they call and they get one. That's how people are. I mean, they need a new garage door, their garage door looks ugly. Kind of like when you're driving your truck or your car and you say, oh, I don't like the way the tires look. It still might be okay, but you know, you just want new ones. People look at their garage door sometimes and you go, I hate this door, it's so ugly and old and dilapidated, or it's making weird noises. They just call up and they want a new door. I don't know what gets them to do it, but people buy doors all the time. You can sell custom doors as well. You could just sell them. I mean, if you install them, it's better, but if you sell those glass doors, I mean, people buy those doors all over the place. You can upgrade their property, and you know, you get 25 grand for those doors. In the right area, you pay like 4 grand for the door on a double door. You make like $21,000 to put in a door. So you can get in either installing, selling doors, knowing about, you gotta bleed doors. You gotta be bleeding. That's gotta come out of your veins. You can't just go, okay, I'll do it now and then. People can sense when you're full of crap when you're not in it. So when you're in it, you're in it. And it seems like God or something just sends you work. It happens that way because you're much needed in this field. There's people that they didn't know who to call, and I think when they get a hold of someone that does this enough and they do it for a living and they can count on it, that they're thrilled and they'll pay anything because they have someone that knows what they're doing with the garage door, not someone they call that might know how to fix it. They want to know that they're going to get their door fixed by a professional. It's really important that when you do this, you learn garage doors and you learn them the right way. And I'm pulling over here 7-Eleven, get me a nice bubbly black Dr. Pepper. Over and out. 30 to 40 days from now, you'll be doing these jobs. Do the course. The course takes 2 to 3 weeks to do. Just our mentorship is worth it, all right? So let me know. Stop wasting time because time is money. That's it, folks. Off to the next one. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.